Hey guys, I'm Noor from Godot-Tutorials. If you're looking to make games like Legend of Zelda or Super Mario Bros, then the series is for you. You learn the fundamentals to make awesome games. But if you're still wondering if the series is for you, then the series is for total beginners and for people who wants to learn the fundamental of making games. But if you're a professional game developer, then of course the series is not for you. So, how the series is structured. First, we'll have a brief overview of game development. Then, we'll learn a little bit of theory. Yeah, I know it's annoying, but we have to do this. Then, we'll learn some coding. In this section, we'll be doing some examples to learn a fundamental concept of game development. At the end, we'll do some games. And this will be the best fun part of this series. So, I hope you liked this video, and I hope that you're excited like I am. See you in the next few videos. Bye bye.